the most advanced category of the candidates are LLB grads from the UK universities. Again, you may be a foreigner, but I think if you studied in the UK, your English should be up to the level. Obviously, you covered most of the subjects. You just need those subjects which are covered in LPC. You also might need to revise the subjects that you have already studied and passed as a part of your LLB. If you devote a lot of time, let's say you have no work, you just spend all your time onto studies, so you're very much focused, you can potentially make it in 3 months. Think that maybe at least 3 weeks you should spend only on practicing the multiple choice questions. I would say from 3 months up to 6 or 9 months, depending on your commitments. 3 months would be in the best scenario. It means you would have to study like you go to work, because you would have to study 5 areas of practice and squeeze them. I mean, that is something very much optimistic. More realistic would be 6 months, and absolutely fine would be to spend 9 months for the SQE1 only.